All right, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this weekend we actually had some great crafting stuff, and you might be able to see back behind me a little bit that we went ahead and did a 3D model of our house build. Namely, we wanted to be able to see kind of what it would look like, and two, I've been going back and forth between two different roof ideas. And we really would like to hear y'all's input of what you think we should do. So once we get into the video, you'll hear it. Either we'll have a flat roof design on the sides, or it will have an actual sloped roof that comes off of the main house as a hip roof. So the thing with that is how it's made currently is both sides are not even, so the slopes would be different, and I don't know how well that would work. So if you're experienced in any type of roofing, then let us know what you think that it would look like or how it would turn out if slopes are different on the hips. All right, but anyway, let's go ahead and get to this build. All right, so now we got all of the layout of all of the rooms that are done. So now I need to get my other boards here and start cutting out the walls. I'm going to start off with the center section here for the main living room kitchen area, because those walls are actually going to be taller than the rooms on the sides. So let's get the cutting out some walls. So Gladys is actually going to be cutting out the sections of walls, so this isn't the exact length that I need, but it's easier to cut out a bigger section, and then I can lay that over the top of the other drawing, give her measurements. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get all of our walls cut out first, and then we'll be right back to y'all to start doing the assembly. Alright, so last time we left off, faded out a little bit. You saw that Gladys was cutting out walls, so we've got quite a few things cut out. And then I also did drawings on some for windows. Excuse me. We have some windows there, some circular windows, a window that'll be like in the bathroom area, and some bigger windows. And then we even got like little doors that will open and close. Same thing for like the front that would show like that. So I don't have everything done. For the most part, just this side of the house is what's finished. But I have walls done. I still got to do this side over here, measuring up all these walls, getting them cut out. But as of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing these in. And just know that whenever you're working with foam board, you want to make sure that you have a glue gun that does both low heat and or high heat, because on the foam you want to make sure that it's on a low heat, otherwise it actually will melt the foam and it doesn't give you really what you want. Just know that whenever you are gluing this in, that once you've put in your piece, since the temperature of your hot glue is so low, that once it's stuck, it's basically stuck. You don't really get a chance to move it for a second time. So make sure you're putting it where you want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw you guys onto time lapse, and let's get this going. And just like that, this is what we got. So like I said, I still have to do this side. This side is going to be basically the same as this side. So it's going to come up, and then as you can see, that is slanted in there. So this is actually what's considered to be a flat roof, even though it's not necessarily flat. And then these walls come up on this side. But the whole reason why we really wanted to do this was, for one, we can kind of see what the house is going to look like, and two is so I can play around with a different roof design, and just trying to do it on paper and seeing what it would look like is just not working out for me. So I wanted to go ahead and do a model to kind of see what it would turn out and how it would look. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and come back to you whenever I got this side put in, and then we'll talk about the roof. All right, so here we go. I got it all done, minus any type of roof. Like I said, we didn't quite know what style of roof we were thinking about. So previously, I had said that this area and this area would have a flat roof, and I'm still looking into, possibly doing that. But then our other thing that we're also talking about is the main building having a hipped roof on the ends That way it would just extend all the way down to the side, and then here in the front would come down, overlapping here. But instead of having another section here coming out, we would just leave this open, and possibly just have either a couple like umbrella type tables, maybe even a small pergola, who knows. But we still got to get some more materials to make a few more roofs. And there's also going to be a basement in this build that kind of goes underneath this section of the house, along with a portion maybe here where the kitchen is. But not 100% certain yet on that. But I do know for 100% certain that there's going to be a basement underneath these 3 rooms.
Basement.
All right, so what do you guys think? It's pretty cool. I think it's going to be an amazing house whenever we get a chance to building it. And it might change a little bit from what we have. Yeah, we definitely appreciate y'all's support. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe down in the corner. Give us that thumbs up. It greatly helps all those algorithms. Share us out to your friends. And check out all of our links that we have down in the description. Bonfire, our affiliate to IsoTunes. Thank you, IsoTunes, for helping us out. I also have the link for the blog that went for the interview for our daughter. And just know that 100% of all of those proceeds that we make from that affiliate goes right back into the autism community. All right. And we definitely appreciate you guys. And I think today we're going antiquing. So I'm going to get out of here, get some coffee, and we'll see y'all later. Bye-bye now.